Hello friends, today I am going to tell you something very amazing about a small animal called the beaver. The beaver lives near river, ponds and forests. It looks small and cute, but it is one of the best builders in nature. Yes friends, the beaver is called the nature best engineer. Every morning the beavers come out to work. They look at the flowing rivers very carefully. They think and plan where to build their dam. Then they start cutting small trees with their strong teeth. Crack, crack, the trees fall slowly. Next, the beaver drag the branch and logs to the river. Some pull, some push, some guide the way. They work together happily. At the river, the beavers place the branches across the water. The water tries to push the branches away, but the beavers do not give up. They keep adding more and more sticks to make the dam strong. The beavers bringing mud and stone. They fill all the gaps between the sticks. Some beavers even swim under the water with sticks in their mouth. They work again and again until the dam becomes strong. Because of this dam, the water behind it starts to rise slowly. A beautiful pond is formed. This pond is very useful. Pond helps make animals, birds can come to drink water. Fish living inside the pond. Frogs jump and play near the water. The beaver dam also helps the land. When water stays in one place, it goes inside the ground. This is called groundwater. This groundwater helps trees, plants and farmers. So, friends, the beaver does not build the dam just for itself. It helps nature, animals, plants and even people. That is why we say the beaver is natural best engineer. Even though it is small, it does a very big job. The beaver teaches us a beautiful lesson. If we work hard and work together, we can make the world a better place.